Welcome back to Unlocked Crafts. Today I'm going to show you the Green Man Rice Mosaic that I have done for a customer. Here we're just laying down the glue and the rice. I fast forwarded it through this part since you've all seen most of my videos already. And you can see how it's going here. Finished the mouth area, and then we're going to go ahead and move next to the next part of the face. And of course you see that we chose a lighter green for the face, and on the outer edges that we're going to be doing next here, I chose a dark green for the veins of the leaves, so you can determine the veins vice the actual leaf coloring here. And you can see that I'm using a different shade of green, so you can tell basically the difference between the two greens as we're going along here. And just laying down the glue, and we're laying down the rice as usual. Don't want too much glue in one spot, so we're doing it a little bit at a time. And you can see how we're progressing here on the other side of the face with the different color of the inside leaf besides the vein right there. You see the eyes are already colored in for us. And we're just continuing the same thing that we always do, rice and glue. We're filling in underneath the eyes right there with the same color as the outside leaves. Actually, it's a darker green than that because I wanted to be able to distinguish the eyes from the face and the outside leaves. Finishing that last antler for the green man. He didn't want a background, so we didn't do that. Going to zoom in a few seconds here, show you a little bit better where it's almost done. Then I'm going to turn the board around so that you can see it in its complete details. Thank you for watching Unlocked Crafts, and again, my website is www.unlockedcrafts.com. If you have a specific order that you would like to go ahead and put in, be my guest. We can always make sure that everything is copacetic for each other. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, like and don't forget to hit subscribe. Thank you and have a great day.